Hi, I'm Natalie.
And I'm John.
And we're here with the Orland Park Public Library's
first unboxing video.
Woohoo! So today we're going to see what came in to tech services and see what new books are coming out. All right,
so
John.
let's open it up and take a look.
Let's do the honors. I'll step away for safety.
Yes, of course. And remember, always cut away from you, folks.
I never do that. I should probably start doing it. All right, what do we got?
Well, let's see.
Oh boy. All right, let's get this going. Okay, first up, looks like we have Amanda Gorman, The Hill We Climb. John, what do we think this is about?
This is definitely going to be about an exercise regimen. If you remember right, Walter Payton used to run right up the hill for training, so I believe this is exactly what it's going to teach us about. Nice, slim book, very brief.
Yeah, I don't think we're quite there, but I like the thought. It's actually an inaugural poem, so I think this was actually Amanda Gorman who read her poem at the inauguration ceremony. Yeah, but you know what? I like the exercise. So it looks like this is a printed version of what she read at President Biden's inauguration. So if you want to check that out, and it's just in time for Poetry Month, which is April. So, John.
Definitely want to see that.
Definitely want to see that. All right, what do we got next?
All right. This right here is Bee People and the Bugs They Love. Now, just looking at this, I would have to say this is going to be about dating. Definitely going to be about beekeepers trying to find love with other beekeepers, going on a few dates, seeing how it goes, seeing if they want to merge apiaries. Definitely something you want to check out.
I think it's the bugs they love. So I think it's actually about talking about beekeeping itself and beekeepers.
Definitely.
Yeah. But this is great. This is perfect in time for spring. The weather's getting warmer, so perhaps if you're looking to pick up a new hobby, right?
Definitely.
Yeah. Looks like this will be a nice little... Oh, look. He is the adjunct instructor at the Cornell University Master Beekeeping Program.
Oh, wow.
I didn't know you could get a degree in that. There you go. So, Springtime Bees.
Yep.
Bee People and the Bugs They Love by Frank Mortimer. All right, what do we got next?
Okay.
All right, looks like we have the final revival of Opal and Nev. John?
Well, let's see. There's a guitar on the front, so
Yep.
I would say this has to be about one of the great folk duos, like, for example, Peter, Paul, and Mary, trio, or Simon and Garfunkel. Definitely something you want to check out.
All right, let's see. Let's see if that matches. Okay. It looks like it is about a early 70s music duo. So
definitely. I was on the money this time.
You were on the money this time, John. Wow, that's great. So yeah, it looks like this is a historical music fiction. So if you love to read about musical fiction groups, this will be right up your alley.
Definitely.
And I think this actually got a lot of really great reviews. So I'm definitely going to be checking this one out myself. All right. We got a double.
All right, let's see what we got here.
All right.
The Women of Chateau Lafayette by Stephanie Dre.
Ooh, very French.
All right, definitely this has to be about a vineyard. We're talking wine tasting, probably like a fun weekend out for the friends. Definitely something you want to check out.
Yeah, I'm not getting that from the dark, ominous sort of tone of the cover with a hopeful light coming in. But let's see what it says. Ooh, an epic saga. Ooh, it looks like it's multi-generational, covering 1774, 1914, and 1940. And it's based on a true story of a castle in the heart of France. So there is wine in France. So John, you weren't far off there. But I guess if you love historical fiction, you love women-focused fiction, this is definitely going to be for you. Looks like it's going to be someone wrote an absolute must-read. So definitely check this out. All right. Oh, no, we've reached the end of our box.
Well, there's always next time.
There's always next time. Yep. Tune in next time for our next unboxing video.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you.